Hey guys, so today I want to explain how I had a massive closet fail and what I did to kind of remedy it because what we were trying to do just wasn't working at all. And then just show you how I organized my closet and where I bought the things from that I'm using in it. First, I'm going to talk to you about the closet. There's a big mess on my bed, as you can see. I wanted some shelves on the inside of the closet just because I wanted to get the dresser out of the bedroom. So I didn't want that in here, so I needed a place to put all of my clothes. So we went to Lowe's and we bought this wood. We had it cut to size to fit into the corner of the closet. And then we bought the hardware that we thought we needed for the walls. And Shane put in the first shelf, and I'll show you a picture of what that looks like. It gave us some problems. The walls are plaster, not drywall, so we had the wrong hardware for it. The screws were getting stuck or were making really big holes. So it really wasn't working, but he got the first shelf in, so I was happy about that. And then he went away and I was really impatient and wanted to do it myself. And that was a really bad decision because I don't know. It's not that I didn't know what I was doing. I saw him do it, but doing it alone was just not good. And I kind of caused an even bigger problem. So we had to scratch that idea. And I just went on to Amazon and I found the best kind of shelves that I could for it. I'll show you right here. I kind of already started putting them together, so I will just put the top shelf on. It was really easy actually. I didn't even really need the instructions. It was pretty self-explanatory, but all the pieces clip into these little things here, and then we just put it on like this. Oops. And then these just clip onto the front to keep that still. So yeah, I was a little upset that we couldn't do the shelves that way, but whatever, it ended up saving time doing it like this. I found these on Amazon. I don't remember the name. I think that it was like $30, maybe $20. I'll put the link in the description box, but I just thought these were really simple. They stack up like this. And I figured I could put baskets in here. I have these baskets that can fit nicely inside of it, just like this. And then I figured I can use the top shelves for shoes or clothes, and then fill in the bottom shelves however I need to. Like I said, I do have the one shelf that he put in that actually worked, so I put some clothes in there, and I have a top shelf in the closet that I put a bunch of clothes on. I'll explain to you what I put there, and I just put a basket up there, and then I obviously have the rack where I hung my clothes in the closet. I also got rid of a lot of clothes, so that helped. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to organize this in the closet, what I'm going to put inside of it. Okay, so here is the inside of the closet. It goes in on both sides, and this is where we put the shelf. Let me try to move some of this over. So this is the first shelf we put in. I'm sorry, all my clothes are here. And now I'm going to show you the shelf that I attempted to do. It has some stuff on it, but it is like hanging on by a thread. It completely fell off when I actually went to put clothes on it. It literally just came out of the wall, and then here is the mess that I made. So I couldn't even get the rack in because these holes were just ripped out. So I kind of just gave up at that point, felt really defeated, and that's when I bought this. that is all for my closet. I'm not going to show the rest of the room right now just because it's pretty late, but I'll save that for another day, and I will show you the things that we did to our room. It's not fully done yet, that's why I don't want to show it. There's a few more things that I have to get, and then I can show what we did. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you like it. If you do, send a comment below, share it, subscribe to my channel, and also check out my Instagram as well. See you next time. Bye.